Hey you guys, it's your girl Bomb Nia and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, it's Bomb Nia. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Today I'm coming at you with a wig review. Now this is a headband wig from WADISS. I believe that's how you say it. WADISS hair, and they sent me this wig. It's from Amazon. This is the wig I received. This is actually a headband PIXIE wig. It is 6 inches, so this is really different from me. It's really curly and cute. Guys, I'm almost afraid to try this on because I don't know how I'm going to style this. It's so short, but listen, y'all with me, so I'm gonna figure something out. So this is the construction of the wig. It comes with the band, of course, to put around your head, and it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4 combs, so you can attach the combs to your head so it could fit nice and snug. So let's just get into this wig. So this is really cute, y'all. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little scared, but it actually came out cute. I didn't know it was gonna look like this, and wow. It's giving like short, real hair realness. It's giving like you just had your hair in braids and you just took the braids out and you just let it be curly. I used to do that a lot when I was younger. Oh my God. I really like this. First of all, the hair is soft, so you can tell that it's real human hair. And if you wanted to be bigger, like the curls to be bigger, you could just, you know, play with it. This looked like my real hair, and my real hair is actually longer than this, but I'm really feeling it. I'm gonna go with the, excuse me y'all, my edges are sweating because it's really hot in here. I'm gonna add some mousse and I'm gonna see how the hair takes to the mousse. And I'm using olive oil wrap set mousse. This is how the hair looks with it wet, and look how that just curls up. Like, so this is how it looks on the side. This is how it looks in the back. I'm going to get a lot of wears out of this. I'm going to try to wear this hair a lot because sometimes you still want to look cute and it be hot. So this is definitely perfect for the summer. It's perfect. Like, you would have thought I was born this way. You would have thought I was born this way. Giving black baby, just came out the womb type of hair. You know how the babies come out. The black babies come out with a full head of hair. But that's what it's definitely giving. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this wig. Don't forget to look in my description box below if you want to purchase this wig. This wig came to me in 2 days. If you guys have Amazon Prime, you can definitely get this wig in 2 days. They ship really fast. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments below how y'all feeling about this wig, because baby, I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it, okay? And most importantly, stay bomb.